Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, I am going to show you AI templates which will be very useful for your research paper writing, especially literature review. So this video is fully focusing on how to make literature review using AI templates. So whenever we are writing a research paper, we often use it to struggle while writing a literature review. So if you want to in your urge to make a literature review, if you want to submit a conference paper tomorrow, so you must have to do a literature review fastly, instantly. So for that also templates, AI templates are available. So if you want to make a detailed SEA indexed RQ1 journal paper, so for that also an AI template is available. And then if you want to make a review paper, especially for review paper, literature review is very important. So whenever you are making a review paper, so you must analyze your references, analyze your references very strongly, thereby you can get better points out of it. So for that also AI templates are available. So in this video I am going to showcase you how to write literature review for journal paper, review paper, and then for SEA indexed paper. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI templates and how it will be useful for our research paper writing. So before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online free workshop on basics to advanced applications in MATLAB. So the main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with the different kinds of basics, codes, and then how to make Simulink, that is basic Simulink blocks explanations in MATLAB. So if you are interested to know more about MATLAB and curious to know more about the MATLAB basics, so don't forget to register our online workshop. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video. So I am going to explain you. So go to lmssolution.net.in. So here it leads to a dashboard like this here. So in this you will find different kinds of LMS AI tools. So just click on this LMS AI tools. So in this LMS AI tools, so you will be having different kinds of LMS AI templates: summarizer, translator, grammar corrector, reference style converter, literature review, reference to content, explain the table, paraphrasing, plagiarism reducer, chatbot, blog article, generate MATLAB code, detailed literature review, chat with paper, and chat with PDF text. So these are the different types of AI templates available in our AI tool. So the main objective of this video is to focus on literature review. So first I am going to showcase you how to write instant literature review using AI templates. That is, if you are making a conference paper, so if you are in urge to make a paper fastly, so in seconds, so you will get a literature review. What you have to do is just copy and paste the references here in this AI templates. So for that I have taken 5 different templates related with cloud computing security. So this is about cloud computing security references. So this is these references I have taken from that is your Google Scholar, that is trusted site. So after that copy this references. So that 5 references what I have taken. So and then go to LMS AI templates. So in this LMS AI templates you will find 2 different templates called literature review and reference to content. So these 2 templates will be very helpful for you to make an instant literature review. So first I am going to open this literature review template. So in this literature review template, so you can find option called please add 5 reference list. So for that what you have to do is just you can copy and paste the content. So and then just you can click on send. So it will take several seconds and it will generate literature review based upon the reference what you have given. So let us see how it will generating. So the important thing in this template is that so it will generate the main findings associated with paper and what are the limitations associated with these papers. So based on that a particular topic and titles. So here you can see that. So for the first reference you can find the main findings. So the paper identifies the key security issues in cloud computing, including data breaches, loss of data, and then account hijacking, etc. So it discusses the shared responsibility model in cloud security, emphasizing the roles of both cloud service providers and users. So and then you can see limitations associated with them. So after that you can see that this is for second reference, again the third reference, again the fourth and fifth references. So these are the different that is literature review, how the literature review is made using just by references in this templates. So this will be very useful for you to make an instant literature review. So this is how you can make a literature review using this template. So the next template how you can make instant literature review is that you can use this option called reference to content. So you can just click on reference to content template. So here in this reference to content template, so you will be asked to give the same thing, that is 5 references. So again you can do the same again. So you can copy this one, so and then just click on send. So it will take several seconds and it will generate. So before that, so you can mention style, citation style also. So what are the citation style you want, so you can provide. So I didn't give any citation style, so automatically it is taken its own citation style. So here you can see that cloud computing has revolutionized the way organizations manage and store data, offering unprecedented scalability and flexibility. However, this shift has introduced an introduction will be given. So after that, here you can see 𝐲𝐬 Miller. So that's the first reference, probably this is the first reference. So here you can see each reference is cited properly. So based upon that, a perfect literature review will be made. So what you have to do is, so you can just copy this text and you can paste in your literature review part of your reference paper. So that's it. So your literature review is done in seconds. So this is the important option to make your literature review very easy. So you can just edit. After that, automatically the literature review for the 5 references will be generated here. So you can delete these references. So after that, yes, here comes our literature review. So this is how you can make an instant literature review in seconds using this AI templates. So hope you can get an idea about how to make an instant literature review using this AI templates. So next, the important thing is that, so if you want to make a detailed literature review, so you have your reference papers with you. So for example, I am going to see here, you can see, so I am going to take this 4th reference. So a review of machine learning algorithms for cloud computing security. So a review of machine learning algorithms for cloud computing security. So this is the paper I want to download. So here you can see this is a review of machine learning algorithms for cloud computing security. So here you can see that the paper is an open access paper, so that will be no problem. So if you want also, you can download. So you can download here and you can save here. So automatically the content will be downloaded. So I will show why I have downloaded that paper. So before that, so we will explore what is the specifications asked in that particular template, that is detailed literature review template. So I am going to use this template called detailed literature review. So just to click on this detailed literature review. So in this detailed literature review template, so you will be asked to give title of the paper, abstract of the paper, introduction part of the paper and conclusion of the paper. So in order to do so you have to copy and paste the specifications. So first I am going to use the title of the paper. So you can copy this, paste here. So after that, abstract of the paper. So you can copy the abstract alone, copy and paste the abstract here. Next, introduction part of the paper. So this is the introduction part of the paper. So copy the introduction part. So next, conclusion of the paper. So go to conclusion, copy the conclusion, so and then you can paste here. So after giving all the specification asked by this particular template, what you have to do is, so just to click on send. So automatically it will provide that is important, that is summary of the paper, key findings of the paper and limitations associated with the papers. So this is how you can get using this particular template. Here it comes, that is summary of the paper details. So here you can get the summary. So the paper title, a review of machine learning algorithms for cloud security, provides a comprehensive analysis. So here you can get the summary and also the main findings. So here you can see these are the main findings of the paper. So what is the main focus of this paper and what are the main findings. So and then you can see limitations, what are the possible limitations associated with the paper. So this is how you can see here, so possible limitations with the paper. So this itself is enough to write a detailed literature review. So if you are making a review paper, so you can make a detailed literature review. So this will be very helpful for you to make a detailed literature review. So that whenever you are making a detailed literature review, the introduction part of your paper will be a very quality one. So this is how you can make a detailed literature review. So the next important thing is that another important template what I want to showcase you is that, so chat with paper. So there are many AI tools are available regarding this chat with paper, that this one is different. So you have to copy and paste any section of the paper. For example, I want to make that is, for example, say I am going to take the abstract of the same paper. So for example, so copy this abstract. So I am going to paste here. So here I am going to ask a question. So based on the abstract, provide 3 important key points from them. So I am going to key points are, I am going to ask it as a highlights. So many of the target journal will tell that highlights. So the highlights will be generated here. So it will take some time. So here comes our highlights. So these are the 3 important highlights from the paper. So like that you can copy and paste any section of your reference papers. So after that what you can do is you can ask any questions you want related with that particular that is content. So based upon that it will generate a very better that is better answers for you. So if you are struggling to make out, so you can make use of this option. So this will be very helpful for you to that is ask any question related with your reference papers. Thereby you can get a clear idea to make your research proceed further. So this is how you can do with this particular template. So the next important thing is that, next important template is that, just click on that LMS AI again. So here the last template is chat with PDF template. So what you have to do is, so you have to upload your paper. So for that only we have downloaded that 4th reference. So go to downloads. So in this downloads you will find that paper. So just upload, just click on the option called upload. So automatically the paper will be generated here. So that is paper will be generated here. So here you can see that. So there are totally 25 pages available in that particular PDF. So if you want to that is, if you want to analyze any pages of the paper, so here you can select the 6th one. So 6th one will be, next you can select the 10th one. So I am going to select 10th one. So if you want to know the details of that, that is, if you want to analyze that 10th page of the paper, so you can copy this. So you can paste here. So after that you can ask any questions you want in this paper. So that is, summarize the content, explain the content, inference from the content, method used in the content. So like that, so you can ask any questions. So here I am going to ask inference from the content. So like that I am going to give inference from the content. So after that just click on send. So it will take several seconds. It will analyze that particular page alone, the content of the page alone. So after that it will generate answers. So here what is it is inferred from this particular paper. So this is also how you can upload your paper. So thereby you can ask any questions you want. You can get a page wise and you can do page wise analysis of that paper. These are the important things what you have to do with this AI templates. This 5 literature review writing templates will be very helpful for you to write literature review for a conference paper, also for a review paper, also for a journal paper. So this will be a best AI templates available in order to make a perfect literature review. So hope this literature review templates will be very helpful for you. So as far as plans and pricing is concerned, so here you can see for basic, so you can just adjust 199. So you can access all our LMS AI tool for 30 days, and you can get one plagiarism and one AI report per plan. So and then the important thing is that so you can get an unlimited access. No other AI tool is offering this unlimited access. So there will be many restrictions regarding their number of words and tokens. So here in this ultimate plan, so at just the 499, so you can access all our LMS AI tool for 1 month, and you can get 2 plagiarism and 2 AI report per plan. So you can access also course on demand videos. Here you can find course on demand videos. So all the videos related with the different AI tools and also different MATLAB videos, step-by-step explanations also will be presented in this course on demand videos. So you can access all the course on demand videos for a month, and you can get more knowledge about the MATLAB and also different kinds of AI tools. So these are the plans and pricings. So hope you can get an idea about different LMS AI templates, especially for research paper writing, as our video focuses only on literature review writing. Other than that, there are many AI templates are available for research paper writing, so you can make use of this also. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.